I'm Vinay and I'm pursuing my undergraduation in JBIT Hyderabad. As I have already given the details of my college, plus 2 and schooling, I would like to make this video more specific to myself, which means I will be talking about my skills and my achievements, my trainings, my certifications, and about how am I different from the rest of the applicants. So let's get started with my skills. When I talk about skills, I think it is really important to mention that I'm really good at communication skills, not just spoken skills. I'm also good at writing skills. So let me provide an example so that you can understand that I'm really good at this. I guess it was 2017 when I received a district first prize in essay writing competition from the Honorable District Collector of Khammam. So I guess I'm really good at writing skills. This stands as an example for this. Apart from writing skills, I would like to cite an example for my speaking skills. It was in the same year, and in 2015, I've got two district second prizes in elocution as well as debate competitions. So these are the two examples that really engage me well with the skills, like communication skills. And these are some skills that everybody requires. And I think it is also important to have some skills of a leader, right? I'm also good at leadership qualities. To cite an as an example, it was 2017 when I joined a camp which was conducted for all the plus 2 candidates. I was just completed my plus 2 and added into the camp. On the very first day, I was selected as a team leader for all the boys in that camp. So that shows my team leadership skills. And I used to attend functions in my colleges whenever there were events. I used to host the events, so I am good at those as well. And coming to my college, like in undergraduation, what are the skills I just gained or what I performed is I've been the creative head of NSS cell JBIT, where I mainly take up the activities of talking to the honorable designations like designatories and to my HODs, principals, etc. Whenever we are going to organize an event. So I'm really good at managing the activities. So I got to say that I'm good at event management skill as well. So these are some good skills that I have acquired apart from my professional skills. Now, why should we not talk about my professional skills? Uh, to be more precise, I have been the topper of my school and my plus two till my plus two. And in my undergraduation, I've just scored 80%. I've maintained 80% of marks in my all the semesters. I'm not really. I would like to be honest and say that I did not bag any ranks in my undergraduation. It is because I thought it is more important to have some skills rather than just academics in my UG. So for this reason, I have concentrated on some certifications from Udemy, Coursera, and some other online websites and online churches. So where I also got to practice some competitive programming. So that were some skills that I really would like to mention in my professional skills. So I have completed my C language as well as Java programming and Python programming from Udemy, Coursera, and some like IIT Bombay Fossey Group. You might have heard it, and some other websites where I've got some good language, good knowledge on technical skills. And apart from this, I have also got certifications from IBM Skill Network, which is a cognitive class where they provide badges and certifications for their students. IBM cognitive class powered by IBM. So I also got some good programming knowledge. I gave the exam, I got qualified and a good percentage, and so they presented me the certificates as well. So these are some things that I say the professional skills, and I'm also good at development languages like this is what we call HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and I'm intermediate at PHP as well. And I'm also good at MySQL and database administration. These are some things that I would like to talk about. And coming to my trainings, I have also attended some trainings and like in my college beat workshops like on machine learning, and I've also got some interest on working on hands-on. I'm really interested to work on projects. So often I do some projects, be it a small or major, like mini project or major project, doesn't matter for me. What I really intended to do is to learn something from the project by doing a hands-on experience. So I would like to cite some examples again now. For example, be it I used this K-means clustering in machine learning to reduce the size of an image because every day we are being data driven. So for this reason, I've got to know this algorithm and I've implemented to bring a project which is like reducing the size of images without reducing its color complexion. So that is one mini project that I would like to cite about. And in my initial days, I've just done a lot of projects, be it very small though, but they were interesting, like guess the number, random picker, etc. And I also coded some PDF extraction, like the text will be extracted from the PDF using Python. And I also done many more, like not just one or two. I've been doing and I will be doing for, because I think projects can help me learn a lot. So I implemented many projects in my academics, throughout my academics, so that I'm still pursuing this, making on these online projects and hands-on projects. So I'm really good at this. Let me talk about my competitive programming skills. I just started with my competitive programming, and I'm presently working on interview bit, where I'm just started this. And these are my skills that we'll be talking about professional skills. So apart from professional skills, I would like to cite some more, like what we call skills required for every student, like be it academics. I'm really good at my academics. As I have already mentioned, I've been the topper till my plus two, so I'm really good at my skills teaching academics as well. So I'm not that bad. I know what it actually means in every subject, not just mathematics or physics. Okay, I'm really good at all these languages. Coming to my spoken languages, I can speak in Telugu, Hindi, as well as English, and like I'm comfortable to write and speak in these three languages. And so that is about my courses. So that is my skills and some courses and some certifications that I have got. And I also got selected for some internships through Internshala, be it a content writing internship or some technical internships of my branch, which is CSC. I also got selected, but because of my college permissions and all, I was not able to continue the internship there. I didn't do that. But in this lockdown, I have got an opportunity to complete online internships. So I've just maintained online internships from Inside Sherpa, which is a website. I got some internship certificates like Accenture internship. So in this internship, I got to know a lot more, so a lot about how to talk with the clients and how to prioritize things and how to manage the things and all, etc. were taught in this internship. Not just taught, we were asked to solve the tasks that were given to us, and we need to solve the tasks and we need to upload the files and etc. That was something that I have got to know about this. So I've got to know a lot about service based companies, how to service the clients, how to talk to them and etc. I've got to know from this Accenture virtual internship. I'm really glad enough to have such an internship offer from them. So this is about my internship, and I have also talked about my projects. So I think these are some things that I would like to mention. And if you're watching this video till now, I'm really thank you, and I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart. And we will still, I'm always glad to meet you again, be it a technical interview or anything. So thank you so much for watching this video again.